Good morning. Just wanted to take a second to talk to you about debt consolidation. Debt is something that most of us are very familiar with. Most of us either have a house loan, car loan, title loans, credit cards, student loans. Most of us have somebody that we're paying money out to every single month. As you may be aware, interest rates are at an all-time low, and you can use that to your benefit and take advantage of the lower interest rates that are currently available. If you own a home, maybe look into doing a refinance. Get a lower interest rate, a lower payment, and possibly shorten the term of your loan. If you have equity home, that's even better because then you could look at shortening your term, decreasing your interest rate, lowering your payment, and taking cash out to pay off some, if not all of, the other debt that you may have. Pay off some of those credit cards and other things that you have outstanding. Then that way you end up paying out less every single month. If you don't have a home, but you have credit cards, call your credit card company and say, hey, I'm considering switching over to a different credit card. What interest rate can you give me now? What can you do for me? Guess what? They'd rather have that conversation with you and offer you a lower interest rate than to see you take your interest and your payments over to another company. What does it hurt to contact them to see what they can do? What about talking to your bank or your credit union? Maybe they can give you a small loan that you can consolidate all of the current individual payments that you have going in many directions into one payment that's going to be cheaper for you every month and allow you to save some money. I've heard advertisements for companies like SoFi. I have not done a lot of research on them, but just start getting your wheels to turning about some of the opportunities or things that you can do to help you reduce your debt, manage your debt, and ultimately get rid of your debt. These companies that offer debt consolidation companies where you pay extra hundreds per month to get them to do it for you. Guess what? You can do these things yourself and save your money. I've heard the horror stories of people not even knowing if they're making the payments for them. So get the wheels to turning. Start thinking about opportunities, things that you can do for yourself in this current environment that will help put you ahead. Don't spend your stimulus check money on new TVs and new shoes and all of those things. Put that money aside. Save it if you don't have any debt. Get those emergency funds started up. But most of all, if you are in debt, work to pay those things off. Work to get them out of your pocketbook so that you can have less money being spent each month going in other directions into other people and more money for you to keep to yourself. Just wanted to share some of these thoughts and ideas with you. Hopefully there's something that I've said that will help you along your journey. And thank you for joining us in this Savvy in Seconds moment. Have a great day.